Whoa, that guy's going crazy.
Oh yeah, this guy's done already.
No! Fuck no! No! Anytime! Shut the fuck up! That's my first name! Awesome! No fear, no hatred!
What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, we're out catfishing. So I'm gonna start off by the day with this happening right here.
That guy likes the big ones too.
And
Pull jaws off twice. I don't really allow too much.
you know how it's done. We don't need this down here in the fishing river corner. Anyways, I'm gonna be using a high-low rig again. Heavy sinker, shrimp. Trying to look for like a 10-pounder plus catfish. Double digits numbers is where I'm looking for, or I'm looking for a big blue. Something a little bit different. Maybe a sturgeon, but we never know. Anyways, let's start the fishing. You guys can see right now, the water is like super flat, crystal clear conditions. A lot of bait fish in the water right now, and it's just after the storm, so the high pressure is just kicking in, and I think this bite is just going to be on. It started really great yesterday. I had overcast, some rain. You guys seen that on the session. That was just amazing. Caught so many cats. Today, I think it's going to be a little bit better, even with the sun. Starting off early in the morning. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's have fun. It's all starting now, Mike. Shrimp? Yeah, shrimp is the ticket. This is a nice day to start off with. I just got here. Just got here. Sat down for maybe a couple minutes and talked to. What's your name, buddy?
Lyle.
Lyle. Nice to meet you, brother.
I talked to him and also the whack job.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I love the fight. That. I know, but it's worth the fight. I love it. Oh, it's my net. It's my net. First cat of the day here. Looks like it's gonna be a continuation. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Levi. Hi, Levi. How you doing, boy? All right, guys. I got Levi beside me here. Oh. Let me turn this camera up a little bit. First kitty of the day right there. First channel cat. Roughly about 2.5, 3 pounds. Beautiful, beautiful markings on it. These black dots, what are they? What are they? Like parasite, or is it just natural color to them? I don't know. You guys tell me. Leave in the comments below, because I don't know, but I would like to learn about that. But I think it's nice. I'm gonna let this one go though. Yeah, I know. Oh man, already again. It's just, it is. That's why I'm out here. I love it. I love the fight. It's just crazy. Just like that guy right over there. That guy on the rock doing the Karate Kid. Levi! Fuck. Oh. Alright. Man, what a nice start. What a nice start. I've not been here like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Am I gonna run out of shrimp again? I'm probably gonna run out of shrimp again today. What a nice start.
Is anybody using worms?
Some people are. They're biting on everything. Oh. Thank you, Ahmed.
A little heavier.
Yeah. Getting bigger.
All right, man. What time are you gonna be here later?
Yeah, I'll be on all day.
I gotta go to work now, but
What time are you off?
whenever I want.
All right, guys. There you go. Second fish on the day. Roughly 3-poundish, a little bit bigger. I like the dark color. Beautiful, beautiful Levi. Beautiful, beautiful dark color there. But a little bit different. I like it. Heavy on the shrimp there. Smashed it. Took it. What do you guys think? Let's throw it back. Alright, meow. Thank you for giving me a good fight.
Shut up! You shut the fuck up!
Whoa, that guy's going crazy.
Oh yeah, this guy's done already.
They're calling back up right now.
Fuck you! What's your fucking badge number? I see it! Fuck!
Just wow it out.
I'm sober as fuck. You want piss test me? You want hair test me?
Yeah.
Hair test me. Where's my top guy?
There's the
Top
backup.
down! Get the Kumar, motherfucker! K-Dot! K-Dot! Say hey! Sing! Costa, sing! Oh, fuck shit! Haha! Haha! Am I on fucking track or no? I told you fucking piss test me! This is for everyone's safety, sir! Everyone's safety, sir! Winter, Ontario! To fucking grant you! Oh no! What language? What language? What fucking language? You didn't come to say? Oh fuck, it's a bilingual motherfucking country! Oh, he says!
Yo, the takedown. The takedown.
Awesome! No fear, no hatred!
Well, that was the end of that nonsense craziness. Back to fishing, right? Back to fishing.
Yeah, all day.
All day. Yeah. I love this. Especially with this weather. Man, I was fishing the past couple of days and it was like cold and rainy. I had to fight through all this stuff, but this right here right now is just like, it is. All right, there you go, fix my drag. This is awesome. Yeah, this is awesome. Oh yeah, big ol' head shakes. No, number 3 of the day here. Quick too, really quick. Might be a... Oh, please don't let it be a sheephead. No, catfish I think. Catfish. But I don't want it to be a sheephead.
Yeah, catfish.
Wow, a lot of power still. He has a lot of power still. What's up, Wayne? So here we go. Another one on the day. Oh, that was a bigger one. There we go. There we go. Number 3.
3? Wow.
24 yesterday.
No way.
Yep. There we go.
That's a 7-8.
Yeah, it's roughly about 7 pounds or so. All right, there's a big one. What do you guys think? I'm gonna say roughly about 7. Everybody's saying about 7-8 pounds. I think they're correct. This one's a big one. Nice big channel cat, huge. Let me take the leaf off your face so you look a little bit prettier for the audience. Say hi, start croaking, don't act funny. But I'm gonna let her grow also. She is chunky, beautiful, nice green coloration on that. I like it because I think they're hiding between the weeds down in algae and they're taking color of the same thing down there, just like forage and waiting for that bait. Fun fight, fun fight. So 4th one on the day here. Nice. Nice. Got the cherry wood going here. Thank you, Mike, for the cherry wood. This rod here I picked up for $10. It's my new catfish rod. Not so new. If it could tell stories, it'd be amazing. Guy had it for 12 years at first. So you can imagine how much, you know Minnow Mike, guys. You know how much fish he catches. But I ended up with it, sold it to me for $10, and it's already paid itself off. Bunch of sessions of catfish already. It's been slaying. I love it, love it, love it. Woo, woo. Oh, that's another cat. It's another cat. That was just a brute fight. There we go. 4. Number 4. Magic number like always. No, I'm kidding. Anyways, yeah, this is roughly about a 4-pounder also. Another fatty channel catfish here. I like the green color on it. Beautiful, beautiful fish right there. Man, lost for words. Detroit River, your producer right now. Awesome. Thank you. Oh, there's that kitty. Bye-bye. Oh, my rod's about to go off again? Yes, you may, sir. Yes, you may, sir. So another kitty on the day. The sun just left us, and then the bite just even increased. Even though I got the few earlier, now I think we're gonna get way more. We're gonna get way more. Yeah, man. Yeah, for sure. This overcast is the best condition. Man, I can't move this one. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, it's a big one.
Yeah.
It topped out of the top of the water.
Oh shit, it's still way over there. Nice. Got a little bit of fighting with me.
Yeah. Here we go. Another channy. Nice. Thank you, Mike.
Brother. No problem.
Thank you, Mike. Appreciate it.
Anytime.
Oh, clean that one is. No marks or anything. So golden. So the cats have been biting like tremendously. Past few days with just countless bites. And there is another big, huge kitty. What do you guys think? I would have guessed about 5-poundish. You can see the nice thick marking down the lateral line there. But they're all the same color. I like that golden color there. Beautiful fish. So I got the kitty in the net right now. And we're gonna let her go. Nice big fat chunky one. But go try to call your great grandmother, great grandfather for me. Double-digit numbers, please. Man, these bees are attacking me.
Did I lose him? I might have lost him, unless he's playing.
No, he's here.
He's on.
He's here.
He's just fucking.
I'm gonna move your.
Thank you.
He's here.
Oh no, definitely he's here.
He's here. Yeah, that's a big fish. That's a big fish. Can you get in there, brother? Oh wow. Oh, that one's dark and gold.
Thank you, brother.
It's like the color of a walleye.
Yeah, eh?
Man, look at that. What do you guys think?
Still good looking though.
Same color as a walleye? I think so. It's just without the scales. Nice and chunky.
Pete's here.
And
You don't know Pete.
Nice kitty, brother.
Thank you, bro.
It's so much fun.
I'm a third-generation fisherman. That's my blood.
So what's your excuse?
Go.
$30 for the night.
Here we go. Big kitty coming in. Big kitty. Yeah, it's a kitty. She's a fatty kitty. It's fatty kitty. It's fatty kitty. Yeah. There we go. Another one on the day.
Beauty.
Nice.
On the
That's a
shrimp.
beauty.
On the Chinese shrimp.
On a Chinese shrimp.
On the Chinese shrimp. So another kitty on the day here.
How many kitties so far?
Oh, I don't know. Countless. Countless. There's just too many.
You gotta tally it up and send it to NASA to get it figured out.
Yeah, yeah. Anyways, back in the water she goes. Well, I hope it's something other than a catfish.
Definitely don't want one of those.
No, I'm just kidding. You don't want a sheephead. I was only joking with that. Oh.
That's a cat.
Yeah, it's a nice cat too. It's a nice one. Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Damn.
This is regular. All right, hold
It's a
on.
thicker one.
Mike, why you got your jacket on?
Because it's raining.
Well, it wasn't raining. Look at this, it's blue sky. It's blue
Let me
sky.
take this photo op. It was starting to spit.
I know, I'm just
I'm not
kidding.
trying to catch pneumonia.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, bro.
No, now it's off.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
It was spitting there.
I know, I was just joking. That's funny. Oh, you guys see the blue sky back there? Mike is just doing his own thing.
A sleigh.
Islay. Chrissy-ary? Islay. Meow. It looks like you, Chrissy-ary. Again. I think the bite is shutting off, Mike. No. Oh, this is a big one.
3 minutes later.
Yeah. Yeah. 30 minutes later. Oh. Man, in the deepest sun right now.
Oh, it's too hot.
Yeah, right after
It's too hot.
right after the clouds left.
This would be like the 5th fish in an hour.
Remember when everybody thought that the catfish only bit at night?
Wrong. I think it depends on the overcast. I used to catch them during the day at compost.
This is so overcast right now.
No, but earlier we had that heavy overcast.
Yeah.
Cutie, you're kitty, kitty, kitty.
This-
You're kitty. So many fucking kitties.
There we go.
Sorry for the cursing.
I told him we were going to see a buddy of
Nice.
mine. His name's
Nice.
Minnow. He says he
Well, there you go, guys. Another kitty on the day. Roughly 2 pounds or so.
Metal.
You know me. Going back on the water. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, brother. All right, gonna end our day there. That was just a fascinating start to the day. Crushed it. No words. You know how we run it. Shrimp, high-low rig, heavy sinkers, and you just bang on it. Get yourself out here, get yourself a shot. The whole river is just stacked full of fish. You can just go pretty much anywhere and just start slaying them. Catch up time, get out. Like I said, enjoy Mother Nature, soak it up, have fun. Anyways, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out, guys.